Marine animals are one of the greatest sources of inspiration for our collection. Tails are very decorative objects that can go both on the table and on the wall. This time we've chosen the metal to represent 5 tails, a tuna tail in dark tones, a sea bass tail with very marked scales, and 3 whale tails with different shapes, sizes and finishes. The metal drums that we recycle to make animals and nautical elements include whales, lobsters, fish and crabs. To these we've added an anchor, a porthole-shaped mirror and a whale-shaped wall shelf that combines aesthetics and utility. In this collection there are no 2 identical objects because there are no 2 identical drums. Because the metal sheets are cut and welded manually by artisans. Therein lies the charm of these pieces. Something similar happens with our pieces made of wire. This technique enables us to easily represent fish, birds and tails that allow you to decorate both tables and walls. Knowing the direction of the wind is essential information for any sailor, and weather vanes are an indispensable element. Our range of weather vanes include whales, dolphins, lobsters, lighthouses and mermaids. Whales constitute the axis of this collection, in which we find sperm whales, blue whales, humpback whales in very varied sizes. This collection includes an accurate and realistic representation of these marine animals. Finishes simulate wood or metal and the different colours adapt to any style. Our collection includes whale tails, dolphins and sharks, as well as a mini series of polar animals such as bears, penguins and puffins.